Yung Khalil po, gusto ng asawa ko lang. Yung RVs naman, nakita ko lang sa website, ay sa mga site. Tapos, yun. Hindi naman pinaghirapan masyado.
The story's starting to unfold. So I'll keep chasing new horizons. I'm not giving up. The best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, I can see it. The best days are yet. The best days are yet to come.
Si Khalil is very observant na baby. Hindi siya iyakin, hindi rin siya palatawa. So, nonchalant lang siya.
The best days are yet to come. I wanna move the mountains, fly way up in the sky. All the things I said I couldn't, all the things too scared to try. Feels like I'm finally free.
Syempre happy, tapos relief na nakalabas na siya kasi medyo matagal siya lumabas. So, medyo nahirapan ako kasi matagal kasi bago nakasundan. So, anyway, thankful naman ako kasi normal ko pa rin siya na-deliver.
The best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, I can see it. The best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. Best days are yet to come.
Hi Khalil, alam ko hindi mo pa maintindihan to ngayon at hindi mo pa ma-appreciate lahat ng hinanda namin ni Daddy sa'yo, pero gusto namin malaman mo na mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy and nandito lang kami para sa'yo parate. Sa support mo.
The best days are yet to come.